This small circuit is a SONOFF relay switch. It is connected through Wi-Fi with the EWE Link app. The big advantage of this circuit is that it's working on 5V DC, making it a good pick for electronic projects. This relay supports up to 10 amps and has dry contacts. Let's test it. I'll connect it to 5V from the Arduino board. The LED is blinking, a long press to pair it, and it's connected. You can hear the relay clicking the switch. And through the app settings, I've been able to make the relay demonstrate a button push, setting it to close for only 1 second. Let's see how much current it draws. Around 73 milliamps on standby and 100 milliamps to drive the relay. I want to use this circuit to manage to open and close my parents' electric gate from my phone. I had many occasions that I needed to open the gate and had to search for where they left the remote control. So to make it possible, I need 3 things to happen. First, being able to open and close the gate directly from the electric gate circuit board. If that won't work, I can use my gate remote control and use the actual button and connect it straight to the relay. The second thing I need is 5V DC to power the circuit. I'm sure I will find some DC voltage on the gate circuit. And if not, I will need to use an external power supply. And the last thing, and most important, I need the circuit to connect to the home Wi-Fi. So I hope it won't be too far from the router. Okay, this is the electric gate circuit board. On the left side, we can call it the hot side, we got the wall AC part that goes in and the output to the DC motor. On the right side, we got all the electronics, the microcontroller, the flash memory chip, and some bridges for using all the functions. Here we got 24V AC and all the magnetic sensors that help the gate to know when it's open and when it's closed. The top one, labeled as P.B, push button, and it's normally open. So if I jump or wire it to come, it's working like a button on my remote control and open and close the gate. So it's good news. Next thing I need is 5V DC. This weird circuit on the top looks like an RF circuit, has a voltage that goes in exactly 5V, so no need for an external power supply. Okay, I'm going to do some soldering and place it back.